HEAL, a home for friendships beyond borders. At HEAL, children grow not just in classrooms, but through real conversations with people from around the world. They speak with kindness, listen with curiosity, and learn about cultures far beyond their own. Visitors become part of the HEAL family, sharing stories, laughter, and moments that matter. Through these interactions, children build confidence, broaden their world, and strengthen their dreams. Here, meaningful bonds replace barriers, and every conversation becomes a window to possibility. Together, we raise not just children, but global citizens ready to lead with heart. Join the movement. Be the reason a child rise.